This is the Nespresso U machine that I will be descaling, and to descale it you will need 1 liter of water and a descaler. Most descalers are quite pricey, but luckily while at a coffee shop I found this descaler that they sell for a very much lower price. Instructions are at the back of the box and it comes with a 4 packet, which makes it a very good deal. To start off our descaling procedure, make sure that your drip trays and capsule containers are empty. To make our descaling solution, we will pour 1 liter of water into our water tank and add in our 1 packet of descaler. Thoroughly mix your solution, switch on your machine by opening the slider. Once the button has stopped flashing, you can now activate your descaling mode by simultaneously pressing all 3 buttons for 3 seconds. Once activated, simply close the slider to start descaling. Once you have completed this step, simply refill the water tank by the same solution that has just been used. For the second time, you will refill the water tank by using the same solution. After you have completed this step, you will have to repeat the same procedure for the last time. Basically, you will be descaling your machine by the same solution for 3 times. After descaling your machine for 3 times, you will give it a final rinse by using a clean drinking water. You will now have to exit descaling mode by pressing all 3 buttons for 3 seconds. Your machine machine is now ready to use and enjoy your cup of Nespresso coffee.